Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into mastering Trello's Butler features. This powerful tool can automate your workflow, saving you tons of time and effort. Let's get started. First, we need to access Butler. Click on the Butler icon located in the top right corner of your Trello board. The reason we do this is because Butler is your personal assistant in Trello, and this is where you can create automation commands. Now that we've done that, let's create our first rule. Click on the Rules tab, and then Create a new rule. Rules help automate standard processes on your board, like moving a card when an action is completed. Next up, we'll set our trigger in action. The trigger is the event that sets off your rule, and the action is what happens as a result. Choose your trigger from the drop-down menu, for instance, when a card is moved to the Done list, and then set your action, like mark the due date as complete. This helps us because it ensures that no due dates get missed when tasks are completed. Once your rule is set, click on the Save button. Your rule is now active and will automatically run when the trigger event happens. It's like setting a domino effect in motion to streamline your tasks. Now let's make a card button. Go back to the Butler main page, click on the Card Buttons tab, then create a new button. Buttons are custom features you can add to each card. For instance, if you often need to move a card to a specific list and assign it to a team member, you can create a button to do all that in one click. Name your button, choose an icon, then set up the actions just like we did with the rule. For example, move the card to the review list and assign the card to John. Click Save, and voila! Your button will now appear on all cards, saving you valuable clicks and seconds. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Butler is like a personal assistant, taking over repetitive tasks so you can focus on what really matters. To wrap up, using Butler in Trello is all about making your work easier and more efficient. Set up rules and buttons to automate your tasks and watch your productivity soar. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you next time.